Now you have to do a heat cooking show.
How to explode an egg in a microwave. Exhibit 1, egg. Exhibit 2, safety protection so that you don't have to make your mum clean up the microwave. Place Exhibit 1 in said microwave to Exhibit 2 over microwave. Make sure it's glass, otherwise it might explode more than you want to. Right, shut microwave. Hit start. This isn't gonna do anything, is it? Can we hit the power sort of thing? We're just gonna have a boiled egg, aren't we?
Yeah, but it's somehow not working today. Oh, it's rolling.
Is it? It just might be because the thing's turning round.
Or maybe there's something in it.
Yeah, there's a whole. There's a cooked chicken running around. Oh, I heard something.
Was it crack? Does it get blurry inside? Like foggy?
Oh, it's done it. It's done. It just did a little crack on it.
No, it's not done. The show is not over yet.
Yeah, it is. See, it's dripping out the side there.
Now you take it out. How does it smell?
Well, it smelled gross beforehand, so what do you expect? We may have discovered a new way to boil eggs.
Not on here. Too delicious. Oh, good that I didn't stop it. Hey, come on, this was classic. Yeah.
Oh, it's absolutely brilliant.
What do you say about the new way of... I think the opening part was the best one.
You were filming, right?
Yeah.